pumpkin pie.
Pumpkin pie?
Yummy. Start with 2 cups canned pumpkin. We need 1 can of sweetened condensed milk.
Add 1 egg.
We need half teaspoon ginger. We need half teaspoon salt. This is how we make pumpkin pie.
I don't know what it's called. Nutmeg.
Is it white here?
We need half teaspoons nutmeg.
We need half teaspoon cinnamon.
We use this for a cinnamon wax.
Yes, and this sugar bread. Pour in an unbaked pie shell. Bake at 375 degrees for 50 minutes. After it's done, cool and refrigerate. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye! Merry Christmas and happy